Hi, welcome to another episode of Suburb Insights. We're in North Adelaide and I've got Heath here again with me. I love these segments because these are the stats that we look at when we're looking at a suburb and whether to buy, so really interesting things, and I'm hoping that you can get something out of it as well. So North Adelaide, what's this suburb like?
Oh, what a fantastic suburb. It excites me. It's a highly desirable suburb within the Adelaide market. We've got quintessential bluestone, sandstone, fronted Victorian terraces and villas. We've got bars, we've got pubs, we've got cafes, we've got the zoo, we've got parks, we've got close walk to Adelaide Oval, the entertainment precinct. You're really in the heart of Adelaide. This is where you want to be.
Yeah, excellent. So it sounds like it could be desirable to live for both renters and owner occupiers.
Absolutely.
What's the percentages there?
It's about 50-50, 49% renters, 51% owner occupiers, which is a pretty good mix.
Yeah, okay. So what else? What's some key stats? Is there demand at the moment? What's the
really
site
strong demands?
visits?
So site visits are currently sitting around 1,500 per property, which is over double
Really high.
the South Australian average, which is a real positive. Days on market's quite low at 34, which is another positive. And look, we're only 24% up on the last peak, which was back in 2011. Where the median house price was 1.04. It's now sitting at close to 1.3, and I'd probably put it around 8 to 9 o'clock on the market.
Wow, you've just answered everything for me. I did have one other question though. What are yields doing, and what's the vacancy rate doing?
Yields are compressing. We are seeing price growth within the market. Rents have declined as well, as we're starting to see more owner occupiers and tenants purchase within that market. So I think yields are currently sitting around 3%, 3.2.
Right, so even though that, I suppose on paper that doesn't really look very good, when we think about where it is on the market, that's what we would expect to be
And
seeing.
you're buying in a very blue chip suburb, and in comparison to say Melbourne or Sydney, where those yields would be sub 2% for equivalent assets.
Excellent. And what about vacancy rates?
Vacancy rates, look, it's a little higher than what we'd like to see. A balanced market's generally around 2.5 to 3%. It's currently sitting above 3.
Right, 3.5, I think
it's around 3.5.
Okay. All right, well, that's great. It sounds like a perfect suburb, really. I don't think I've got anything else to ask you. Thanks, Heath.
No problem. Thanks for having me.